Your DNA makes you unique. You have one genetic code, only one body. You don't need everybody's nutritional supplements. You can have your own. Cut your losses and move on. The days of blind nutrition are over. Your DNA knows exactly what you need, and Uforia delivers it. Welcome to your very own designer nutrition.
We all have genetic variants that can affect our DNA. That's why my eyes are brown and your eyes are blue. But we also have genetic variants that can affect our overall health and wellness. These genetic variances are called SNPs, single nucleotide polymorphisms.
We aren't able to eliminate SNPs from our DNA, but we can do something about them. We can take action to optimize our physical health. It begins with a simple DNA test. Swab the inside of your cheek and mail your sample to Uforia's state-of-the-art laboratory partner for analysis. Strict HIPAA guidelines are always followed, so your information remains confidential and secure.
The SNPs that Uforia tests for are what I like to call the heavy hitters. These are the ones that can be compensated for with proper nutrition and can make the biggest difference in your overall health and wellness.
Based on your DNA results, a one-of-a-kind nutritional formula is created just for you. This is your very own ÜTRITION, designed from peer-reviewed plant-based ingredients plus vitamins and minerals. With so many high-quality ingredients and so many of us, every formula is truly unique. Each custom formula is one out of nearly 400 million possible combinations. And while your ÜTRITION is being customized, you can immediately begin to make your health a habit with a ÜTRITION formula.
ÜTRITION is actually the foundational formula for everyone's finalized ÜTRITION. ÜTRITION is a very powerful combination of ingredients including astaxanthin and AC11 for DNA repair.
ÜTRITION gives your body a fresh start. You'll be prepared when your customized ÜTRITION arrives, which takes approximately 2 to 4 weeks delivered right to your door. You'll receive a 30-day supply of your customized formula, along with a detailed action plan that explains what you need to know about your SNPs.
Understanding your DNA helps anchor that conversation about your wellness and removes a lot of the guesswork about your health.
The Uforia Wellness DNA Report is easy to read, especially because it has all of your scientific DNA information just right in front of you.
Staying on track to meet your nutritional needs for the rest of your life has never been easier. You can receive your customized designer ÜTRITION delivered to your door every month, all for less than the cost of buying the nutritional ingredients separately. Finally, everyone's unique biology meets one-of-a-kind technology.
The science of nutritional medicine, which is what we call nutrigenomics, has finally entered the 21st century.
Your DNA is talking, and Uforia gives your body a voice.